Hey, how are you guys doing? You both seem a little off today.
Yeah, I haven't been feeling that great lately. My energy levels are really low and I feel tired all the time. I think it's because I've been neglecting my health.
Same here. I've been super stressed with work, and it's completely thrown off my eating and workout routine. I haven't been to the gym in weeks, and my diet has been terrible.
I can relate to that. It's hard to stay consistent when life gets busy, but it's so important to take care of yourself. What's been going on with your diet?
Honestly, a lot of processed foods. I've been ordering takeout almost every night and it's just easier when I'm exhausted, but I know it's not doing my body any favors.
That's been my problem too. I've been grabbing whatever's convenient, which usually means junk food, and then I feel sluggish all day. I don't even have the motivation to get out for a walk.
It's a vicious cycle, isn't it? When you eat poorly, you feel too tired to exercise, and then the lack of exercise makes you feel even worse. Have you thought about meal prepping? It doesn't have to be complicated, just cooking some basics in bulk so you don't end up reaching for takeout.
I've heard meal prepping can be helpful. I'm just not sure where to start. I don't have much experience cooking healthy meals and it feels overwhelming.
Same. I've always found cooking to be time consuming, but I know it's healthier. I guess if I had a few easy recipes to follow, it could help.
You don't need to make it complicated. You can start with simple meals: grilled chicken, roasted veggies, and quinoa or brown rice. It's quick, and you can make enough to last a few days. Plus, it saves money too.
That actually sounds doable. I think part of my problem is that I wait until I'm starving and then I grab the first thing I can find. If I had meals already prepared, it might stop me from ordering out so much.
Yeah, I could see how that would help. I've also been skipping breakfast a lot, which leaves me starving by lunchtime. What do you guys usually eat for breakfast?
I try to keep it simple but filling. Oatmeal with some fruits and nuts, or a smoothie with spinach, banana, and protein powder. Something that gives me energy but isn't too heavy.
Anna, I've been terrible with breakfast. I usually just grab a coffee and rush out the door, but by mid morning, I'm starving and I end up snacking on unhealthy stuff.
I'm guilty of that too. Coffee instead of an actual meal. Maybe I'll try making smoothies like you mentioned. They sound quick and easy.
Smoothies are great because you can pack them with nutrients without much effort. And speaking of nutrients, how's your water intake? Sometimes feeling tired is just a sign of dehydration.
I probably don't drink enough water. I'm mostly drinking coffee throughout the day, and I know that dehydrates you.
I'm the same. I keep forgetting to drink water until I'm really thirsty, which isn't great.
Try carrying a water bottle with you everywhere. That's what I do. It's a reminder to drink throughout the day. And once you make it a habit, it's easy to stay hydrated.
That's a good idea. I should do that. And what about exercise? I haven't been active at all, and I know it's affecting my mood. How do you guys stay motivated?
I think it's important to start small. You don't have to go to the gym for an hour every day. Even a 20-minute walk can make a big difference. Once you get moving, you'll notice you feel better, and that motivates you to keep going.
Yeah, that's true. I always feel better after a walk, but I just need to push myself to do it consistently. I've been meaning to start yoga again too. It helps with stress and makes me feel more balanced.
I've heard yoga is great for stress. I've never tried it, but I could use something to help me relax. My sleep has been terrible too, and I think the stress is part of it.
Yoga is amazing for relaxation, especially before bed. It calms your mind and helps you sleep better. Speaking of sleep, are you guys getting enough rest?
Definitely not. I'm staying up too late and then waking up exhausted. I keep telling myself I'll get on a better sleep schedule, but it never happens.
Same here. I've been staying up late working, and then I can't fall asleep because my mind is racing. I wake up feeling like I barely slept.
Sleep is so crucial for your overall health. Maybe try setting a bedtime routine, turning off screens an hour before bed, reading a book, or meditating. It signals your body that it's time to wind down.
I should really work on that. I've been scrolling through my phone right before bed and I know it's not helping. I'll try reading instead.
I'll give that a try too. I feel like we need to make health a priority, even with everything else going on.
Absolutely. It's all about small, consistent steps, eating better, moving more, staying hydrated, and getting enough sleep. It doesn't have to be perfect, but even small improvements can have a big impact on how you feel.
Thanks, guys. I'm going to start with small changes and take it from there.
Same. Let's keep each other accountable. We can do this.
Definitely. We've got this.